Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review on the Genevieve and MAC Cosmetics collaboration lipstick. Let me just tell you, I was so freaking excited to buy this lipstick. If it tells you anything, it was only released in the UK online, like on the MAC website, and then there was a couple other websites, I can't remember what they were called, but Jamie had it on her her Twitter feed that she was talking about, like all the different websites that carry it. So I couldn't, like, you can't buy from the MAC UK website because they wouldn't ship it to the US. But they will be releasing it on the MAC website. I don't know about in stores, but they will be having it on the MAC website in November. I can't wait until November. I refuse to wait until November. So there is a website, it's called selfridges.com, and they ship worldwide. The only thing is that if you live in the States, shipping is $30. So I ended up spending like 50 something dollars on one MAC lipstick, but it's worth it, it's fine. So yes, if you've been on my channel for any length of time, you will know that I am a huge fangirl of Genevieve here on YouTube. She's an amazing YouTuber, she's super sweet, I love her and her fiance and her dog, they're all just adorable and I love them all. Of course I had to buy a nude lipstick from her because she's like nude lipstick crazy. So I knew it was going to be amazing right off the bat. Okay, so when you get it, it's in this little box that she helped design and it's adorable. It has her signature in gold on it, and the pattern is based off of a jacket that she like always wears all over the place. So that was like the cutest little idea. So yes, the actual lipstick is called @Genevieve. It's her her like YouTube and whatever handle. Let me just show you, okay? It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. I have it on my lips right now. It's a perfect nude. Like, it is so incredibly perfect. For my skin tone, I don't know about other people, but for me personally, this is perfect for my skin tone. Like, there's not, I feel like with certain nudes, you can either get them a little bit too pink or a little bit too kind of corally orange or too brown. This is the perfect mixture of them all. It's like that lipstick that you put on and it's like your lips, but way better. Some of my other like favorite MAC lipsticks that I've had over, you know, however many years. My favorite before I got this one is by like hands down my absolute favorite nude lipstick I have ever used ever. But what I was using before that was Blankety from MAC, and it's one of their amplified lipsticks. And this is what this one looks like. So let me just show you comparison here. So this one right here is Genevieve's, and then this one right here is Blankety. So Blankety has a little bit more of like, I want to say it has like a little bit more of a pinky tone, whereas this one has a little bit more of a brown tone to it. I also love the shade Faux, which is kind of more on like the mauvey pinkish nude kind of side of things. And that one is one of their satin finishes. And then I also love Creme de la Femme, which is one of their frosted lipsticks. And this one is just kind of like one of those your lips but better for me, what my natural tone for my lips is. And it just kind of is, you know, has like a slight shimmer to it. So those ones are like my top favorites. By far, this Genevieve lipstick has beat them all out. I still love them, but this is just, oh, it's so beautiful. And this one is a satin finish lipstick. Satin finishes, when it comes to MAC lipsticks, are my absolute favorite. I feel like with matte lipsticks, they can be a little bit too drying, or like the cream sheen lipsticks, those ones are way too glossy for me. Like, every single time I would put one on, it immediately settles into the little lines in my lips, and I just feel like they move around a little bit too much. Hear that thunder? Oh my goodness. But yes, so the satin finishes is just kind of like a good in-between area. It's not like fully matte, but it does have like a little bit of a gloss to it. But it's not like so glossy that it's moving around on your mouth all the time. And also, like, it smells amazing. I feel like every MAC lipstick smells so good. So it just has like that regular, like, well-known MAC smell to it, and I love it so much. But yes, like I said, I'm wearing it right now. I'm gonna like put more on here because I feel like it's rubbed off a little bit. And today I am using a lip liner with it. I'm using, what did I use? I used Peekaboo Natural from NYX, but yesterday I wore it all day and I didn't use a lip liner with it. So it does not need one. I almost think I like it better without a lip liner, just because, I don't know, I feel like it looks more nude that way. So it's just, see, it's so pretty. Like when this gets released in November to the US, you best believe I'm gonna be buying like 3 more tubes for myself and like 3 tubes for my mom. Okay, it's gonna happen because it's just perfect. And I love, like, it makes my teeth look so much whiter than they are. So I cannot say a negative thing about this, and that is like honest to God truth. Like, it is amazing. I love it so much. Also, if you are somebody that kind of likes to play with lip colors and really likes lip liners, Jamie did say in her video about this that she likes to kind of like mix it up with different tones of lip liners because it works well with like a wide range of different colors. But yes, so definitely experiment with different lip liners and you can get different looks. She had kind of like a deep lip liner, which was very it was like a very 90s lip look, so you can do like different versions of it, so that's really nice. Alright guys, so I think that that is all that I have to say about the lip stick. There literally is not a single negative thing that I could say about this. So if you are in the States and you cannot afford like the $30 shipping charge from selfridges.com, definitely get it in November because it is 100% worth it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, head over to Jamie's channel and follow her because if you're not already following her, you need to because she's awesome. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Bye!